Hello people of the world, we are anonymous. Operation Black March has begun. Join the protest. If you do not know of Operation Black March, I will explain. With the continuing campaigns for internet censoring litigation such as SOPA and PIPA, and the closure of sites such as Megaupload under allegations of piracy and conspiracy, the time has come to take a stand against music, film and media companies, lobbyists. The only way is to hit them where it truly hurts, their profit margins. March 2012 is the end of the first quarter in economic reports worldwide. Do not buy a single record. Do not download a single song, legally or illegally. Do not go to see a single film in cinemas, or download a copy. Do not buy DVD in the stores. Do not buy a video game. Do not buy a single book or magazine. Wait the 4 weeks to buy them in April. See the film later, etc. Holding out for just 4 weeks, maximum. This will leave a gaping hole in media and entertainment companies' profits for the first, and shares will blip from the large enough loss of incomes. This action can give a statement of intent. We will not tolerate the media industry's lobbying for legislation which will censor the internet. Remember, as always, we are anonymous. We are legion. We do not forgive. We do not forget. United as one, divided by zero. The voice of Anons. To the world as always, expect us.